heading to Llyn Cabins, which is in Llyn Vyrnwy Dam, just outside Welshpool in Wales. Most of the road was like motorway and main roads, but you do get to some off-road tracks, which was really suitable for our car, which isn't a 4x4. There's 2 cabins on site, so we're staying in Coed Ty, which is the first cabin you come to, and then you can see the other cabin just in the background. We're here for 2 nights. It is 7:20. I'm sat outside just having my cuppa when Paul's still sleeping. It's nice and fresh. It's been raining all night, so the breeze and the cool is just lush. The cabin is absolutely boiling. So we're staying in a place called Coed Ty. We're just outside of Welshpool and we're staying here for 2 nights. We booked this through Canopy and Stars. I think it was about £150 a night, which isn't too bad. It's still dark at the minute, but the view is amazing. Got a little sheltered like outdoor area and a jacuzzi bath, little wood burner area with some chairs and a kitchenette. It's a fully equipped kitchen, and so if you can see the curtains just by there, the bed is behind there, because these big sort of panoramic windows have not got a curtain. It was boiling in there, and so I'm gonna have to have a shower this morning and wash my hair because I got a bit sweaty. But it's just beautiful up here. So we drove up through Hereford and stopped at the Beefy Boys on the way. Didn't get any videos, but I did get some pictures, so I'll drop them in. The food was just amazing there. It was £50 for loaded pastrami fries and a burger each for me and Paul, and then unlimited refill drinks, which I thought was amazing. And it's somewhere we've wanted to go for a while. So it took us about an hour to get to Hereford from where we live, and then an hour and a half drive up to Coed Ty where we are now. The plan today, I guess, is we're just gonna have a chill. We're gonna go out and get some fresh air, do a bit of walking, just see what's around. There's some maps just in the cabin, so we'll see where there is to go and have a look at. We've brought some, outdoorsy type clothes, but hopefully the weather will hold out because it was hammering down all night, which was quite loud on the cabin. So yeah, we're here for 2 nights, and then we're going to head up to Snowdonia. So we've got 2 nights then in the Hilton Garden Inn in Snowdonia, and we've got access as well to the Garden Wave Spa, which I cannot wait. And the Met Office has issued, I think it's an amber weather warning for snow. So from kind of mid-Wales up, and they're forecasting snow for Thursday and Friday. So yeah, those are the 2 days that we're going to be up in Snowdonia, which will be absolutely beautiful. Like if there snows and it's all across the mountains, but we might get stuck there, so let's wait and see. just got to Llyn Vyrnwy Dam, so it took us about 25 minutes from Coed Ty, where the cabin is. The drive down was lovely. As we came around, it looked just like Llyn Valley, which was beautiful when we went back up there a couple of summers ago. The weather's still a little bit rainy, but it's okay. It looks quite big down here actually. There's a little coffee shop just up the hill. There's a kids park for people with kids that are coming. You can walk across the bridge where the actual dam is. So yeah, we're just gonna have a little walk around now. Paul's just gone to get some parking. Not sure if you've got to pay. It looks like a pay and display.
No, well, there's probably a gate there that will only allow a certain amount of water through. So see there, you can measure the depth.
Yeah.
And once it gets to a certain depth, you can adjust the there's a wheel. You can adjust the amount of flow through.
What a place to put a post box. City of Liverpool was in dire need of a new water supply. Liverpool Corporation Waterworks Act authorised the works received by royal assent. They built it over the village?
Yeah, Llyn Village was relocated to make room for the building of Lakewood.
So there's a village in
A
there?
church, 2 chapels and 3 inns, 10 farmsteads and 37 houses were demolished, and the new settlement built lower down the valley. Work began to construct the stone-built dam. So made of blocks of Welsh slate.
watching hut, which is really cool. There's lots of facts about all the birds you can find here, and you can watch them feeding. It's really cool. I'm going to go over to the cafe now. It's still hammering down, so I'm going to make a run for it.
The ice cream one.
We can't find the waterfall.
No.
I think we drove past it. Find a bit of the waterfall. Start of it. So we thought we'd be able to go to like the bottom of where the waterfall is, but we can't. So we have to jump out of the car in the middle of the road because the waterfall is down. Just got back to Coed Ty from the lake. Gonna go in and get our wet clothes off now. I wonder if we'll have some neighbours today. There's nobody there yesterday. It makes your legs go like jelly. Oh, lush. The air temperature is about 9 degrees, so Paul's just gone in because it's getting a little bit chilly. He doesn't want to come in. I'm topping up the hot water, and then I'm going to get the bubbles back on and chill out here for a bit. Paul's just putting the log fire on, so we're going to go in and have a bit of tea then. Watch a bit of Netflix on our phones. And yeah, just plan our day for tomorrow. This is just pure relaxation. It's absolutely lush. Fresh, crisp air, nice hot, cozy bath, lovely scenery, peace and quiet. It's just amazing. That jacuzzi bath is amazing. I feel like I need one in my life, but I'd probably get nothing done around the house because I'd be home from work every night in it. So not a good idea, but spot on, loved it. Just come in. I've got, I don't know if this is a little bit odd, but I like it, a hot Vimto, and Paul's got a beer. He's just gone in the shower, and then we're gonna cook up some food. So we've got a full kitchen, but you know what it's like, you come away, you don't want to be cooking and cleaning, so we just bought some micro meals, so it's really quick. And then we're going to try and plan out the route for tomorrow. So this is our second night in Coed Ty. So we leave tomorrow morning and we head up then to the Hilton in Snowdonia. I think it's the Garden Inn, Hilton Garden Inn Snowdonia. And it's next to the Wave Garden Spa or Garden Wave Spa. Oh my God, I'm getting all my words muddled up. So hopefully the weather's going to be a little bit better tomorrow. Hopefully no rain. I mean, today was fine with the rain. When you're going looking for waterfalls, the rain's great, isn't it? But yeah, for the drive tomorrow, it'd be nice to have some clear skies. So we're going to head up, find some scenic route and see what we can find.
You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should have told you straight away.
We're just having a tidy up in the cabin. Paul's just taking the bins out, and then we're going to get on our road trip up to North Wales. Coed Ty has been an absolute dream. I'll put the link in the description of where I booked it. So my boots are absolutely soaking wet in there. So Paul's just gone to the car and I'm gonna have to wear a pair of his trainers. Yikes. The size of Paul's shoes on me. I think I could stay here forever. Imagine waking up to that every morning. Oh, it's absolutely lush. So we've just locked up and down to the car we go. We're all packed up. There was no guest book. I was hoping we could leave like a little like note in there, but we'll have to do one online, do a review online. Just taking in the last views. Oh.
You don't have to be afraid.